Hi students, Justina here. Today we'll see numbers, and in numbers we'll go through predecessor and successor, comparison of numbers and rounding of the numbers. First we'll see what is predecessor and successor. So here a picture is given with 3 squares. Predecessor is nothing but it is the number which comes just before the given number, and successor is the number which comes just after the given number. We'll go through an example. Here 3 numbers are given. So the middle number is the given number, and the number just before that is considered as predecessor, and the number just after that is considered as successor. Next we'll see comparison of numbers. Here 2 numbers are given, 2 5-digit numbers are given. So while looking itself we feel some difficulty to identify the answer or identify which is the greatest number and which is the smallest number. So for easy finding, what we use is we'll use the place value chart. So here the place value chart is given from ones, tens, hundreds and so on till lakh, and since 5-digit numbers are given, we have inserted the numbers inside the table. Now what we'll do is we'll look from the right side onwards, or from the first place onwards, till which numbers are looking different. So here in 10,000 place both are 4 itself, and in 1000 place also both are 2, and in hundreds place both the number comes different, and we'll find which will be the greater one. So here 8 is greater than 6. So the number which contains that 8, that is 42,853, will be greater compared to 42,687. So we can find that first number is greater than second number. Next we'll go through comparison of more than 2 numbers, or arranging numbers in ascending or descending order. So here 5 numbers are given, and that is already arranged in the place value chart. So here also we are using the same pattern, that is we are looking from the first to towards the left where the digits are different to compare the numbers. So here from first column onwards, the rest we are comparing the numbers. So here on the 10 lakhs column only 6 and 4 is given, others we can consider as 0. So the greatest number will be 6. So that number will be the greatest number. Then the second greatest will be the number which contains 4 on 10 lakhs place. So that will be the second greatest number. Then we have 3 more numbers. In lakhs place all numbers are same as 4. And in 10,000s place one is 6, 1 and 1 is given. So here where 6 comes will be the next greatest number. Now comparing the other 2 numbers, both are same, so we'll move on to the next place, that is thousands place, that is also same as 2. Then we'll move on to the next place, that is hundreds place. Here 6 is given and 1 is 4. So where 6 comes will be the next greatest number, and where 4 comes will be the last number. So we can arrange this number like this in descending order. First the greatest number, next one, and the next one, and last the smallest one. If you want to arrange in ascending order, then we have to write in the reverse order. Smallest number first, then the next smallest one, and last the greatest number. Next we'll see how to round off numbers to the nearest 10. So here some numbers are given. We need to round off it to the nearest tens place. So rounding off to the nearest place is nothing but we need to make the unit place 0. So while changing the unit place to 0, we have a condition that if the unit place is either 5 or more, then we need to change the tens place to the next number. If it is given 6, we have to change it to 7. If it is given 7, we have to change it to 8. If the unit place is less than 5, that is 4, 3, 2 or 1, then no need to change the previous number. So first we will see the examples given here. 78 is given. Here the units place is 8, which is greater than 5. So to make it 0, what we will do is 7 will change to 8, so that the number will become 80. Next, 192 is given. Since the unit place is 2, which is less than 5, no need to do any change in the previous number. So we will write the same number itself, that is 192 will become 190. Next is 2357. So the unit place is 7, which is greater than 5. So to make it 0, we'll change the previous number to plus 1. That is, the previous 5 will become 6. So 2360 will come. Next, 54,321 is given. Unit place is 1, which is less than 5. So no need to do any change in the previous number. So it will become 54,320. Here we will see one example, that is rounding of 66 to the nearest 10. So we will write numbers from 60 till 70. So 66 is standing in this position, which is closer to 70. So 66 will, the rounded form of 66 to the nearest 10 is nothing but 70. Next we will see rounding of numbers to the nearest hundreds place. For that we will remember a poem. Rounding poem we can call. So the poem is like this. Find your place, look next door, 5 or greater, add one more, all digits in front stay the same, all digits behind, zero's your name. So with an example I'll explain this one. So here 63 is given. 63 is a 2-digit number, so rounding off to the nearest 100 we can make it to 100 itself, because 63 is almost near to 100. Next, 588 is given. So find your place. Here the place given is hundreds place, that is 5. Find your place. Your place is 5. Look next door, the next place. Next place is 8 here, which is the underlined word, underlined letter. So 8. 5 or greater. If that number is 5 or more, so it is 8, which is greater than 5. Add one more to your place, that is 5 will become 6. And all the digits in front stay the same. If any numbers are there previous to that numbers, no numbers are there. So if any numbers are there, that will stay the same. And the digits behind, that is the tens place and ones place, both will become zeros. So 588 will become 600. Same way also 7821 is given. Find your place, that is 100. So we are changing to nearest 100. So 100 place is 8 here. And look next door. The next door is 2. It is 5 or greater, add 1, but it is not greater than 5. So no need to add anything. The previous will remain same. So 7 and 8 will remain same, and the other 2 will become 0. Same way in the next one also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is given. So 3 is our place. 4 is the next door, that is less than 5. So no need to do any change. So the number will be 12300. Finally, we'll round off numbers to the nearest 1000. So same pattern we are using here is also. We are finding our place and seeing the next door. If the next door is more than 5, then we'll change our place to plus 1. Otherwise, we'll let the number remain the same. So here, for first number 678 is given. Our place is 0 actually, because we are taking rounding off to the nearest 1000. So here, thousands place, no number is there, so 0. Since the next door is 6, which is greater than 5, we need to add 1 to our place, so 0 will become 1 and then 3 zeros, so it will become 1000. Next 4325 is given, so our place is 4, next door is 3 which is less than 5, so no need to do any change, so it will become 4000, 4 and 3 zeros. Next 9765, so our place is 9, next door is 7, that is 5 plus 1, 5 plus 2 which is greater than 5, so our place will become 9 plus 1 which is 10. If the next door is greater than 5, then we need to change our place to plus 1, so it will become 10 and 3 zeros, that is 10,000. Next 12,334, so our place is 2, next door is 3 which is less than 5, so no need to do any change, so 12 and 3 zeros, 12,000. Thank you.